Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mudassir Ijaz and welcome to my channel Proc Tech. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to export your data into your Excel file or how to download your all data from database into an Excel sheet. So that is the my previous sheet and here I have some data with the name, age and country, Hamad, that's read, and this is the raw data. Now I will show you how to uh, export the data. This is my export field and I refresh it, go to export.php, and now I have created this button export to Excel. When I click on this, it's download all the data from my database in the form of Excel sheet. Now we have to check it, click on this, and it's download and automatically download and one file, my SQL to Excel. Open it and check it. It now these are the all data from our database and it store it in our Excel file. Without wasting our time and go to our code and I will show you how it's work. This is my form. Here I created the form and in form field I have create only an input with the type submit, name export and give it value export to Excel. This is actually a button. When I click on this button, it downloaded my all data from database in the form of Excel sheet and I give it action to export data.php. Go to our export data.php and create the connection, select all the data from my table. Why we should select all the data? Because as in all of you know that when we use the want to display the data and to view the data, we use the select query. So here we also want to select all the data from our database. That's why we use the select query, and that is import our uh, table name, and I run the query. Is set if is set button means that if my button is set, then that is the header at the rate header content disposition attachment. This is the content disposition attachment is used for downloading the file. Mean that when I click on my button, it automatically download my file. That's why we use this header of the PHP. That is the PHP header and it's used to download file. And that is my file name. Here you write any of your name for with the name of file downloaded. So I write my SQLi to Excel. I also change to mudassir.csv. So mudassir slash excel.csv. So after this, I have used and the data made and data variable, use the while loop. Why we use it? Because I want to fetch all the data so that all my data is print in my. If you don't use the while loop, then it shows store only and download only one data at the position of index 0. But I want to download all of data from my database. That's why I use the while loop. And while loop, I use the dollar sign row, name, age, and country. These are the databases name, and after that I echo the data and make the function our exit. In this way we download our all data from our database or export the data from our database. In other words, now I have again check you click on this and I when I click on export to Excel, this is my Mudassir excel.csv is successfully downloaded and click on this. These are all the data from our database and here is the database. This is our data and it's successfully downloaded and export to our computer or to our Excel file. And you can also use this header in any of your code when you want to download any of the your file. So that is content disposition and attachment. Here you write the file name and must remember that must give the extension, and extension is that .csv. Why we use the CSV? Because in my previous lecture I will tell you we have to import our data in the form of CSV formats. That's why we use the .csv format. And then thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query, like and subscribe my channel or comment me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.